Hello everybody, my name is Gary Marr and I'm going to be your instructor for Visio 1 or CIS 116 for the next 8 weeks. We'll be meeting on Canvas. It's an online class, and what I've done is I've populated Canvas with everything from a syllabus to class notes to videos to practice files that come with our textbook. You'll find a syllabus there. It'll have the textbook information in it. It'll have the grading information, all the good stuff. Please look that over. Let me know if you have any questions. Now, in addition, the one thing I'm going to ask you to do, as part of participation credit, you're going to find that not only do you have assignments and quizzes, but you also have a weekly reflection assignment, which you'll tell me what you think you've learned in the class so far or that week, and then if you have any questions or any problems you'd like to have me look at. This way I can give you some individualized attention if you need it. Now, the Visio product itself will be free for you via an agreement that GCC has with Microsoft. It'll come to you via a product or website called dreamspark.com. Hopefully the next day or so you'll be receiving an email from Microsoft that'll allow you to set up your account and download your free software to use for this course. If you ever have any questions, you can always call me, send me an email. I do have an office. My office is right here behind me. I'm at Glendale Community College. I'm in building 01-126. You can stop by. Since I'm the department chair, I have a lot of free time, so I'm pretty available. You can always stop by and just say hi or ask a question or come in and we can work on one of your problems. So, having said that, welcome to class, and I hope to see you guys in person. I'll definitely see you in Canvas. Bye.